Can we go riding tomorrow?
No, probably not.
Why?
We might, okay?
Thank you.
It's okay, buddy.
Who's here?
Just me.
Just who?
Me, Mama.
Mama Bear?
No. Memphis is Mama.
From Mars.
It's okay, buddy.
There's nobody here. What's my name?
Memphis James.
What's my last name?
Scott.
First name?
Memphis
My name?
James.
What's my second middle name?
You only have one middle name.
Okay. Thank you.
Hi, bud.
Who's that?
It's
It's your
great.
granny.
Who's Granny?
Granny's an old grumpy lady.
That's mean.
But I love you.
I love you too. I love you very much. You see my teeth
I do see your teeth.
and my eyes closed?
Your eyes are closed.
Why?
I see them now.
Okay, buddy.
I love you.
I love you too, baby.
He told the
I
nurse.
love both of you.
He told the nurse she was mean.
She is mean.
Well, she did.
She hurt my arm.
I think you hurt your arm.
No, she did.
She mad. She waking up angry.
No. Leave me alone.
Hey, now that's not nice.
Leave me alone, Granny.
Better not talk to your granny that way. She's here to see you. Who's she here to see? Me?
No, me.
You're wild.
No, not. Leave me alone.
Grumpy pants.
Leave me alone. You're very mean.
Who's nice?
Nobody.
Nobody? What about your mama?
She's not nice either. Why? What's my name?
Memphis.
Your middle name.
What's your
James.
middle name?
My last name. My last name.
Scott.
Thank you.
Is your feet dirty?
Nope.
Did you wash them?
Nope.
Hey Memphis, where do you go to school?
Mars.
Mars. Is that really his school?
No,
Okay.
Indian Trail.
Okay. I didn't. Were you thinking Mars the planet?
Maybe.
Well,
Never seen him like this.
and it makes it. It's a crazy medicine that they give them to go to sleep, and this is normal. I promise.
Okay.
I promise.
He was kind of freaking me out a little
Yeah,
bit with
no.
his not being able to feel his body. He was kind of.
and it does.
Get
scares
in my
him.
body.
Oh yeah, it definitely is a weird
Weenie.
feeling because it starts in the head and then it kind of just moves to the whole body. Because that you probably hadn't even made it out to the waiting room by the time his reduction was done.
Weenie.
That drug works so quickly,
Yeah.
and he like
Hate you.
like I said, 1904 was when he pushed the medicine, and then 1906 we were taking X-rays. So
okay.
you really
What
probably weren't
time
out
did I do my X-ray?
about 20 minutes ago. But yeah,
You did
this is-
30 minutes.
it'll start wearing off quickly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Really?
Yeah, you'll feel better in a
What you
minute.
gonna feel? My name's Katie.
I didn't know that.
Well, now you do.
That's cool.
Well, good. I'd like to be cool rather than mean. I don't want to be mean.
You're a cool nurse.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, when you start waking up a little more, I'm going to give you that red popsicle, okay?
Popsicle. In my mouth? Oh, that must feel good.
Just keep your head still. You're okay. Just keep it down. You're all right.
Who's here?
It's Mom and Granny.
Who's Granny?
Granny's right here.
What's her name?
What is my name?
I don't know.
You don't know my name?
What's your name? What is it?
Granny?
No.
What is it then?
I don't know. What's your name?
Tell me. What's my name?
What's your name?
Mama,
No. Your name.
Becky,
Your name.
Beverly.
Your name.
Memphis,
My name?
Memphis.
There's two people named Memphis. Yay! Yay! Leave me alone. Meaning,
It's okay.
I hate cats. I hate cats. Who's here?
Bunch of cats.
I hate him. Kill him. Kill him. Kill him. Ugh. Something tastes bad.
She's gonna bring you a red popsicle.
A red one. I love red. What's my dirt bike's name?
It doesn't have a name.
It's a meanie.
No.
Your dirt.
You're mean.
Okay. Shh. You're okay.
No one's okay.
You're okay.
No one. No one is okay. You make me mad. What's that thing?
Ow.
What's that thing?